Solving rational equations, the algebraic key. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of algebra, specifically focusing on solving rational equations. These are equations that involve fractions with polynomials. But don't fret. While they might seem complicated, with the right approach, they become a piece of cake. Let's unlock the mysteries of these equations together. Rational equations are simply equations that contain rational expressions. Rational expressions are fractions in which the numerator and/or the denominator are polynomials. For instance, x plus 2 equals 3x minus 4, frac x plus 2 equals frac 3 x4, x plus 2x equals x minus 43. The above is a rational equation. You might be wondering, why do we need to solve rational equations? Well, these equations frequently appear in various fields like engineering, economics, and even in everyday life problems. Mastering this skill can be a big feather in your mathematical cap. 1. Find a common denominator. Before you can solve, you need all your terms to be in line. This often means finding a common denominator for all the terms. 2. Multiply through by the common denominator. Once you've found it, multiply everything by this denominator. This often eliminates the denominators, turning your equation into a simpler polynomial equation. Example: x plus 2 equals 3x minus 4, frac x plus 2 equals frac 3 x4, x plus 2x equals x minus 43. Common denominator is x plus 2, x minus 4, x plus 2, x4, x plus 2, x minus 4. Multiplying through x minus 4 equals 3, x plus 2, x4 equals 3, x plus 2, x minus 4 equals 3, x plus 2. 3. Solve the resulting equation. Now, solve the polynomial equation as you would any other algebraic equation. 4. Check your answer, a critical step. Sometimes, the math might allow for an answer that isn't valid in the original equation, especially if it makes any denominator equal to 0. Always plug your solution back into the original equation to ensure it's valid. The best way to grasp any mathematical concept is through practice. Let's take a look at a sample problem. 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 1 equals 5, frac 2x, x1, plus frac 3, x plus 1, equals 5x minus 12x plus x plus 1 3 equals 5. 1. Find the common denominator, x minus 1, x plus 1, x1, x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1. 2. Multiply through. Doing this, we get 2x, x plus 1, plus 3, x minus 1, equals 5, x2 minus 1, 2x, x plus 1, plus 3, x1, equals 5, x caret 2 to 1, 2x, x plus 1, plus 3, x minus 1, equals 5, x2 minus 1. 3. Solve. Now, rearrange and solve for x. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. There you have it. The world of rational equations, unlocked and ready for you to explore further. Keep practicing, stay curious, And remember that every challenge in math is just a puzzle waiting to be solved. Hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, happy learning!